Samsung might have something special up its sleeve where the Galaxy S25 is concerned, with a lovely little battery innovation reportedly in the works. In years gone by, to get more battery life from one phone generation to the next, you generally had to figure out how to squeeze a bigger battery into its design. But with even the best smartphones staying largely the same size between years, that's getting harder. So many makers have turned to software solutions, including simply making everything run more efficiently to reduce battery drain. According to the information of Kro_Row, Samsung is planning to launch Galaxy S25 Ultra with 3000 nits peak brightness support. With such a high brightness, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to deliver stunning visuals with exceptional color accuracy and contrast. Another rumor, this one originating from a now-deleted social post from PandaFlash, suggests Samsung is testing 4 prototypes for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Although the tipster didn't have renders of these prototypes, they did create mock-ups of what they thought the Ultra might look like based on their information. According to the rumor, the main changes seem to revolve around the frame and bezels. We could see thinner bezels, but the same frame as before, a thinner and flatter frame with slimmer bezels, thinner sides but a thicker top and bottom, or a thinner frame with rounded edges. Outside of that, it appears the front of the device will look mostly the same as the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The power these new chips are rumored to have will likely result in them being more battery hungry. Digital Chat Station on Weibo alleges that Samsung will compensate for this increased power draw by giving the next flagship bigger batteries. The tipster asserts that they have seen 3 5500 mAh batteries that feature customized high-density battery core materials. A few days later, the leaker added in a new post that the batteries could even get close to 6000 mAh. Typically, most Android phones have batteries that range between 4000 mAh to 5000 mAh. Whereas the immersive display of the newly launched Galaxy S24 series supports 2600 nits peak brightness. It means the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to push the boundaries of smartphone display with its impressive peak brightness of 3000 nits. On the other side, Samsung is reportedly developing a new feature called Battery AI, powered by AI, which may help users conserve up to 10% of battery life in the upcoming Galaxy S25 series and other flagship models in the future. While rumors indicate that the next generation S-series smartphones, including the Samsung Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra, may not see any improvements in battery capacity, the introduction of new AI capabilities could potentially lead to higher battery consumption. Nevertheless, Samsung is said to be working on its Battery AI feature to counterbalance this potential increase in battery usage. The details have been provided by an informant named PandaFlash, who published a post on X platform, emphasizing that the renowned South Korean technology company is currently developing a novel AI functionality known as Battery AI. According to the informant, who cited an undisclosed source, this feature is expected to conserve approximately 5 to 10% of the battery life in the forthcoming flagship models of the company. It is worth mentioning that the specific method employed by this feature to achieve such efficiency was not disclosed. Although the exact functioning of Battery AI remains undisclosed, it is widely believed that it will not employ conventional battery-saving software methods that restrict the CPU and GPU, as well as hinder background processes to extend battery longevity. The Galaxy S25 series is already confirmed to come with more AI features. A Samsung executive had recently said that the Galaxy S25 series will offer more Galaxy AI features, powered by Google's yet-to-be-announced Gemini Nano 2 large language model, with a focus on on-device AI. Nevertheless, as Battery AI is a software-based feature, it will not enhance battery life at a hardware level. It may, however, utilize on-device intelligence to automatically halt background activity of infrequently used apps or enable settings to disable certain system functionalities based on user behavior. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest in tech news. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.